Hello friends, today we are going to solve question number 4 of NCERT Class 12 Mathematics. Show that the modulus function given by fx mod x is neither 1 1 or not onto, where mod x is x if x is positive or 0 and mod x is minus x if x is negative. Solution for this question. Solution for this question. Solution for function r relates to r given by fx is equals to mod x f minus 1 is equals to mod minus 1 is equals to 1. mod से माइनस निकलता है तो पॉजिटिव हो जाता है. f फंक्शन 1 is equals to mod 1 is equals to 1. minus 1 and 1 have the same image. Therefore f is not 1 1. Now b, to check onto no negative value belonging to codomain of f has any preimage in its domain. Therefore f is not onto. Hence f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Now we are going to solve question number 5. Question number 5 says that show that the signum function fr relates are given by fx is equals to 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equals to 0, minus 1 if x is lesser than 0, is neither 1 1 nor onto. Hence solution for this question. Question number 5 solution. F r relates to r given by fx is equals to 1 0 minus 1 if x is greater than 0, if x is equals to 0, if x is less than 0. f1 function 1 is equals to function 2 is equals to 1. 1 and 2 have 1 and 2 have the same image. That is fx1 is equals to fx2 is equals to 1 for x is greater than 0. Therefore x1 is equals does not equals to x2. Similarly function x1 is equals to function x2 is equals to minus 1. Therefore function x1 is equals to function for x is greater than, here x is greater than 0, here x is less than 0, that's why minus 1 came. Where x1 does not equals to x2, therefore f is not 1 1, not 1 1. B, except minus 1, 0, 1, no other member, no other members of codomain of codomain of f has any pre-image in its domain. Therefore f is not onto. Therefore f is neither into nor onto. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Question number 6 given that let a is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 curly bracket, b is equals to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 curly bracket, and let f is equals to curly bracket round bracket 1 comma 4 comma round bracket 2 comma 5 comma round bracket 3 comma 6, then curly bracket close, be a function from a to b, show that f is 1 1. Solution 6. Solution for question number 6. Solution for question number 6. Yeah. Given a is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, b is equals to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, f is equals to 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 5 comma 3 comma 6 curly bracket, every number of a has a unique image in b as shown in the figure 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 relates to 4, 2 relates to 5, 3 relates to 6, इसलिए f is 1 1. Hence question number 6 is completed. Now we are going to move question number 7. Question number 7 says that in each of the following cases state whether the function is 1 1, onto or bijective. Justify your answer. 1. F r relates to r defined by fx function x is equals to 3 minus 4x. F function r relates to r defined by function x is equals to 1 plus x square. Now we are going to solve question number 7 of Mathematics NCERT Class 12th. Solution for question number 7. Solution question number 7. Now first one is f function r relates to r defined by function x is equals to 3 minus 4x. Function x1 is equals to 3 minus 4x. Function x2 is equals to 3 minus 4x. Function x1 is equals to function x2 is equals to 3 minus 4x1. 3 minus 4x1 is equals to 3 minus 4x2. Therefore, x1 is equals to x2. Now b1 fx is equals to y is equals to 3 minus 4x. X is equals to 3 minus y upon 4. For every value of y belonging to its codomain, there is a preimage. There is a preimage in its domain. In its domain. Therefore, f is onto. Hence, f is 1 1 and onto both. Now, second one f function r relates to r given by function x 1 plus x square. A1 is function 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Function minus 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. Hence, function minus 1 is equals to function 1 is equals to 2. That is, minus 1 and 1 have the same image. Have the same image. Same image 2. Therefore, f is not 1 1. Not 1 1. Now b1 no negative number. No negative number. No negative number belonging to its codomain. To its codomain has its preimage. Preimage in its domain. In its domain. Therefore, 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 f is not onto. F is f is not onto. Thus, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Hence, we have completed question number 7. Now we are going to move question number 8. Question number 8 says that here question number 8, let a and b be sets so that function a into b relates to b into a such that function a comma b round bracket is equals to round bracket b comma a is bijective function. So solution for this type of question is solution of question number 8. Solution question number 8. Solution for question number 8. We have function a into b relates to b into a such that function a comma b is equals to b comma a. Therefore a1 b1 b1 round bracket a1 comma a2 b2 is equals to b2 comma a2 round bracket. F function a1 comma b1 is equals to function a2 comma b2. Therefore b1 comma a1 is equals to b2 comma a2. Therefore b1 is equals to b2 and a1 is equals to a2. Therefore f is 1 1. F is 1 1. B every member p comma q belonging to its codomain has its pre-image in its domain as q comma p. F is onto. Thus f is 1 1 1 1 and onto. That is, it is bijective. It is bisective. Question number 9. Let function n relates to n be defined by function n is equals to n plus 1 upon 2 if n is odd, n upon 2 if n is even, for all n belongs to natural number, that is capital N. Here this is question number 9. Now we are going to solve question number 9. Solution for question number 9 is solution for question number 9. Function n relates to n defined by function n is equals to n plus 1 upon 2 if n is odd and n upon 2 if n is even. Now a1 is function 1 is equals to n plus 1 upon 2 is equals to 1 plus 1 upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 2. After solving this we get 1. Function 2 is equals to n upon 2 is equals to 2 upon 2 is equals to 1. The elements 1 comma 2 belonging to domain of f have the same image one in its codomain. Therefore f is not 1 1. Hence f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. Therefore it is not injective. Now b1 every member of codomain has pre-image. Codomain has pre-image in its domain. Example: one has two pre-image and two pre-image 1 and 2. Therefore, f is on 2. Thus, f is not 1 1, but it is on 2. Therefore, f is not bijective. Now we have completed our question number 9. Now we move to question number 10. We move to further question number 10. Question number 10 says that here is question number 10. Let a is equals to r minus curly bracket 3 and b is equals to r minus curly bracket 1. Consider the function f a relates to be defined by function x is equals to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. F is 1 1 and on to justify your answer. So solution for question number 10 is solution for question number 10. Function a relates to b where a is equals to r minus curly bracket 3, b is equals to r minus curly bracket 1. F is defined by fx is equals to x minus 2 upon x minus 3. A function x1 is equals to x1 minus x2 upon x1 minus 3. Then function x2 is equals to x2 minus 2 x2 minus 3. Therefore function x1 is equals to function x2 x1 minus 2 upon x1 minus 3 is equals to x2 minus 2 upon x2 minus 3, or x1 minus 2 x2 minus 3 is equals to x2 minus 2 x1 minus 3, or x1 x2 minus 3 x1 minus 2 x2 plus 6 is equals to x1 x2 minus 2 x1 minus 3 x2 plus 6, that is minus 3 x1 minus 2 x2 is equals to minus 2 x1 minus 3 x2, or minus x1 is equals to minus x2. Therefore x1 is equals to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. F is 1 1. B. Let y is equals to, given that x minus 2 x minus 3 comma x y is equals to minus 3y is equals to x minus 2. Then x y minus 1 is equals to 3y minus 2. Therefore x is equals to 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1. Therefore for every value of y except y is equals to 1, there is pre-image x is equals to 3y minus 2 upon y minus 1. Therefore f is onto, thus f is 1 1, f is 1 1 1 1 and onto. Now we are moving ahead to solve question number 11. Solution 11. Here question is given that let f function r relates to r be defined as function x is equals to x की power power 4. Choose the correct answer. Option A is f is 1 1 on 2. B1 is f is many 1 on 2. C1 is f is 1 1 but not on 2. And D is f is neither 1 1 nor on 2. Solution for question number 11 is here given solution to solve question number 11. Here given a function minus 1 is equals to minus 1 comma 4 is equals to 1. Function 1 to power 4 is equals to 1. Therefore minus 1 comma 1 have the same image. Therefore f is not 1 1, not 1 1. Further minus 2 in the codomain of f has no preimage. Preimage in its domain. F is not onto. Therefore f is not onto. That is f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Hence part D is the correct answer. Part D is the correct answer. Here part D f is neither 1 1 nor onto is correct answer. Now question number 12. Let function r relates to r be defined as function x is equals to 3x. Choose the correct answer. Option A is given that f is 1 1 onto. B1 is f is many 1 onto. C1 is f is 1 1 but not onto. And D1 is f is neither 1 1 nor onto. This is question number 12. Solution for question number 12 is question number solution for question number 12. Solution for question number 12. Function r relates to r is defined by function x is equals to 3x. Function x1 is equals to 3x1. Function x2 is equals to 3x2. Function x1 is equals to function x2. Now 3x1 is equals to 3x2. Therefore x1 is equals to x2. And therefore f is 1 1. F is 1 1. F is 1 1. B1 is for every member y belonging to codomain has preimage x in domain of f. Since y is equals to 3x, therefore x is equals to y upon 3. Therefore f is onto. Therefore f is 1 1 and onto. Hence part A is the correct answer. Part A is the correct answer. Now we have completed our question number 12. इसके बाद this chapter fully completed. इसके बाद हम लोग करेंगे next chapter, that is exercise 1.3 in next video. We are going to solve our exercise number 1.3 of NCERT Class 12 Mathematics for CBSE board students. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. After subscribing, press notification bell on. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. Thank you everyone. धन्यवाद. Thank you.